The ground was covered with a morning frost. Autumn was at its peak. A walk with nature can reveal the answers that we seek. The gently running water soothes my soul. My heart is now at ease. The leaves are changing, falling, calling, dancing in the breeze. The magic of life, the mystery of love, the miracle of God's plan, these all seem so clear to me now, His humble servant, man. I feel alive. I am part of this world. I want to shout, I give a damn. But none of this matters, I realize now, because I have no idea where I am.